back there,
you can't really see that. So when you're reading greens, the best way to go about it is to stand behind your ball, get a sense of how up the slope is, and then really you want to walk around and get a sense of exactly the slope that you're dealing with, because from back there the slope up here is going to look a little bit different because it's on obviously a different side of it, and from up here you can see that it's actually going downhill quite a bit. So you're going to have to hit it a little bit harder than you would normally hit it because of where the hole is located. Level. So knowing the different types of approach shots, like what we're working on right now, the chipping and pitching, is going to help you have a little more situational awareness on the course as far as what shots you should be playing at what time, because each one has its own use and they can benefit yourself if you know when and how to use them. Okay. So and there is another shot, I don't know if we're going to be working on it today, it's called a flop shot, and that's where you get the ball pretty much straight up and vertical, and those are the ones where it's really super elevated, and your focus, and it's also going to help you practice transferring what you do here on the driving range over to the course, because I don't know if you guys have noticed, this is probably one of the only sports that you practice in a place where you don't play. Basketball, you're on a basketball court. You can it's easy to transfer over. Soccer, you're in a tennis, you're on a court. Right. Golf, you practice on a driving range, looks nothing like a golf course. And you're supposed to somehow figure out how to do all this stuff and transfer it over to something totally different. So the more you can keep consistent on the driving range, and you can it helps transfer over to a golf course.
Okay, so like to simulate what you would do.
Exactly, yeah. So I mean, if you can visualize what you want, for me, the sand, and kind of control where it's going to go, because you're taking so much sand out before it, there's really you can't really judge what the ball is going to do. So that's why that is so difficult. But I will show you how to get these lies out of there as well, because that's just it's the unfortunate reality. You're going to come across some of these lies sooner or later, and it's best to know how to go about it. So like I said, we're going to start off with a demonstration to show you guys a little bit of what we're going to be doing here. So you're going to take your stance, and